Tired of searching for real ways to make money online? Stop scrolling. This is it. ChatGPT is everywhere. But today, I'll show you exactly how to turn it into $1,000 a month with zero investment. I've tested these methods myself. They're legit, and you don't need any experience. Grab your laptop and internet connection because I'm breaking down 5 proven strategies you can start today. Let's dive in. Before we get to the money, what is ChatGPT? Think of it as your free genius assistant, ready to write, research, and create anything you need 24/7. It's not just a search engine. It generates original content, blog posts, emails, code, social media ideas, and more. Businesses pay big for this kind of work, and you can use ChatGPT to deliver it in minutes. Your job? Be the middleman. Take requests, use ChatGPT, deliver results, and get paid. If a robot can do the heavy lifting, why not let it make you money? Let's see how. First up, freelancing. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are packed with clients needing articles, emails, and more. You don't need to be a writer, just a smart prompter. Ask ChatGPT for a 500-word article, tweak it, and deliver. Add your personal touch for quality, and you're set. Charge $10, $20 per article. Just 2 small jobs a day can net you $900 a month. Land a bigger client, and you're easily over $1,000. Manage your own AI writer stress-free. Easiest side hustle ever. Method 2. Sell video ideas and scripts to creators. YouTubers and Instagrammers always need fresh content. Use ChatGPT to generate viral video ideas or short scripts for YouTube Shorts and Reels. Offer your services in Facebook groups or on Gumroad. $5 per script adds up fast. Sell 4 scripts a day and you're making $600 a month for just 30 minutes of work daily. It's digital gold. Work smart, not hard. Creators will love you for it. Next, Amazon product descriptions. Sellers need persuasive, keyword-rich copy to boost sales. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling descriptions and review templates for their products. Less competition here means you can charge $15, $30 per listing. Land a client with 10 products, and that's $150, $300 in one go. A few clients a month and you're easily hitting $1,000. Help businesses grow and get paid well. Last method, resume and LinkedIn optimization. Most people struggle to sell themselves on paper. Use ChatGPT to turn messy resumes into polished, keyword-optimized documents. Offer LinkedIn makeovers too. Charge $30, $50 per resume plus extra for LinkedIn. Just 1 client a day can bring in $900, $1,500 a month. You're helping people land jobs and earning great money. There you have it. 5 real ways to earn $1,000 plus a month with ChatGPT starting today. Pick one method, take action, and make your first dollar. The hardest part is starting, so go for it. Like, subscribe, and comment which method you'll try first. Open ChatGPT and start making money. See you in the next video.